Hello guys! Today will be the first ride with my Vstrom 650. It's doing about 4 degrees Celsius. So let's go. It's very windy. So I just installed these rock risers 5 inches. So first, the position is very upright and comfortable. Oh, the wind! It's so windy. The rear suspension seems to be very good. Not too hard, despite it is 800 pounds. We'll try to go in a place with less wind. That's better. So maybe a little review at the same time of my Vstrom 650 to the 2012. So far it's been a very reliable motorcycle. So it's about only basic maintenance such as oil changes, oil filter. I clean air filter every year. Oh, it's a little slippery because of the new tires. Too bad. I would have liked to take the drone today, but it's so much windy. That will be for another day. So I am in Quebec, and for those who don't know, I have got a tire exemption for the winter. I will put a picture. Basically, it allows you to ride for a period of 7 days with your summer tire during the winter. We'll take a nice little road. Little. My Oxford little grips keep my hand warm. So this is great. I have the 16 tooth modification on my front sprocket. so it allows the RPMs to be a bit lower on highway. Right now I'm in fourth at 70 kilometers per hour and I'm at 4000 RPM. So the temp will be 6 degrees Celsius that my Vstrom dash is telling me. I'm recording now on my LG V40 smartphone, chest mount. I will have to slow down here because there is some snow, maybe even ice. Oh, but that's a nice job. Okay, not a bright idea. That was stupid, but that was fun. That rear spring is awesome. So I-beams are on with the fog light so people can see me. I don't think people expect to see a motorcycle. This beautiful sunny day. Some people say that 5-inch risers will be too much, but you can see my arms and they are pretty straight. I can push the handlebar to avoid objects. And now in front of me there is mud. Oh, that is tempting. I don't want to get my motorcycle all dirty. So that's it for today, guys. That was just a quick little ride for the fun. Hope you enjoy.